TIR ThinkingIntoReality.com memberships. There are 3 levels of membership in TIR, and all provide valuable insights into the science of manifestation. With any membership level, you are eligible for our profit-sharing plan, as well as the training, which will allow you to fund your subscription without any additional out-of-pocket expense. Each subscription runs for a minimum of 30 days and will renew after 30 days as long as your profit share has sufficient funds available. Profits are allocated to you based on the time you became a paid member and calculated based on the number of members that have joined after you. It is therefore beneficial to become a paid member at the earliest opportunity, with preference being given first to gold members, then silver members, and finally, bronze members. The TIR Profit Sharing Plan. Once you activate any subscription, you are placed into our profit sharing plan. In the bronze membership, a maximum of $140 is accumulated for each subscription period. Of the $140, there is a hold on $20 for your next subscription in the bronze membership, and a hold of $80 for your silver membership subscription, leaving you with a withdrawable amount of $40. In the silver membership, profits are accumulated in the same way to a maximum of $2,650. $150 is used for gold membership and $50 is used for promotional purposes, helping you to generate referral income. This leaves $2,450 available for you to withdraw in each subscription period. In the gold membership, profits are accumulated in the same way, and you can withdraw up to a maximum of $2,500 in each subscription period. The earlier you subscribe to each of these levels, the sooner you will start to see the benefits from the profit share. The profit share is an ex gratia payment, and no specific time can be stated for any member to start receiving their profit share, as it is based on the growth of the community. No qualification other than a paid membership is needed to benefit. It is simply a gesture of goodwill in sharing abundance, up to 81.25% of income with our members. Although not required, it is requested that all members share our program with others so that the profit share moves faster for all. It also pays you financially from the affiliate plan described a little later. If each member refers just one paid member each month, the profit shares will be paid about every 30 days, generating a handsome monthly income. Helping others. As a community, we pledge to leave no one behind, and so there is the opportunity to pay for those members who can't even afford $20, and by doing so, help them change their lives for the better. If you pay for someone that you have personally referred, then you will be entitled to all the affiliate benefits in the normal way. However, you can also pay for someone you have not personally referred, and in that instance, you will receive half of all the Tier 1 benefits, with the actual sponsor retaining the other half. If no one pays for a free member, the system will at some point pay for them, and in return, receive half of the Tier 1 affiliate benefits. This way, everyone wins, and no one is ever left behind, even though it may take several weeks for a free member to be paid in. The TIR Affiliate Plan. This is a very lucrative 1- or 2-tier compensation plan which will pay you when you choose to share our program with others. Affiliates earn through just 1 tier for bronze membership referrals, and through up to 2 tiers for silver and gold membership referrals. Commissions are based on the withdrawable profit share received by a referred member. Bronze member referrals generate up to $40 in commissions for each subscription period. Silver member referrals generate up to 2 times $2,450, $4,900 in total in commissions for each subscription period for all Tier 1 referrals, and the same $4,900 for all Tier 2 referrals if qualified. Qualification for Tier 2 is simply having personally referred 2 active bronze members. Gold member referrals generate up to 10 times $2,500, $25,000 in total in commissions for each subscription period for every Tier 1 referral, and up to 9 times $2,500, $22,500 in total for all Tier 2 referrals if qualified. qualification for Tier 2 is simply having personally referred 2 active bronze members. Although no one is required to refer others, it is not only the right thing to do by living in loving service to others, but also very lucrative, with each personal referral earning you up to $29,940 for each subscription period, usually about every 30 days. Now it's time for you to decide. To decide if you want to activate a better life, filled with love and gratitude, or to simply carry on as you are, in the vain hope that somehow things may improve. If you want change, starting now, click the link below and join our happy family. We leave no one behind.